Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Terraform for infrastructure as code from scratch. So this guide is completely for beginners, so nothing to learn if you're an intermediate or an advanced person. First of all, we would like to install Terraform. You can go to any browser as an example that you have, go to the URL section and just type Terraform download. So once you do so, you'll find, for example, this first link, click on it. And as you can see, this is the exact link if you want to go to it right away. So it's developer.hashicorp.com/terraform/install. So you'll find how to download this on any platform or any operation system. So just go do it. For me, as an example, I already downloaded this. And for you, make sure to go and download it as well. You'll also need a or AWS account, or you basically need access key. So just go, open a new tab, go to WAS, you can just type AM access key, and you'll find here an example, this article, that will help you how to get it. If you don't know how, so just go and follow it. They'll show, or you'll have first of all to go and create or access your AWS account if you already have it, and you'll get your access key. So now, if you're on Windows, just go and open your PowerShell. If you're on Linux, it's going to be the same because I'm going to use the WSL. Make sure for you to use it, or it's totally up to you. So for me, I prefer to use the terminal of Linux. So in here, we would like to create like a directory called Terraform. In order to do so, let me just go and create that. So the file, as we said, we will call it like main.tf, and let's just go and access that. So inside that folder or inside that file, we will need to paste the code, the following code. So here's it. It's very easy. So it's going to be provider space. I'm not going to type it out because it will take some time in the video. So you can pause it and copy it as it is. There is, of course, like the option to copy text from like an image that you can use if you want to use it. So right here, we'll have basically the region. So you can change the region depending on wherever you are. So, for example, here I have US East. For you, if you're in Europe, you'll have to change it. And here you'll have to enter your access key and your secret key. Of course, for the resources, MEI, insurance type, and tax. So we'll get through that. Basically, we'll have to initialize also the Terraform once we fill up the information needed. So how to do it? Basically, let me just go and create that. It's very easy. Of course, if you downloaded this, make sure to have it where you can access it in your terminal as well. So normally, if you download it, you will be able to, in Bash, of course, in the terminal inside your folder, you can run the following command, Terraform init. And this will basically set things for Terraform. Of course, I don't have it inside this folder, so it will not run for me. And basically, you can check what it will do if you type the following again. So Terraform plan. You can do so. Of course, if you're using, like me, the Linux terminal, you can even download it from here right away. So you can just go and click on copy. So it will be good for you. And just paste it and it will be downloaded. So just wait for it until downloaded. And you'll be able to use the Terraform in it. So you don't have to download it here in Windows if you're going to use the Linux terminal like me. And the Terraform plan, as I said before, it will basically just show you what Terraform is going to create. And you'll be able to create the VM. You can apply the plan and you can type yes when it asks. Because, of course, it's very easy. So I need just this to finish. You will have to type Terraform apply. And now Terraform will create your virtual machine on your AWS. And you can, of course, delete it later. It's optional, but it's important. With using the command Terraform destroy. Type yes again when they ask you. And this will clean everything up so you don't get charged. So, as an example, this is what we should do. So, I don't know why it's taking a lot of time and why it's not downloading or finishing fast. Okay, it needs like a password. So, okay, it's downloading now. So, as I said, all we need to do is the things that I said. So, it's going to be like a Terraform init, as I said. So after that, we'll have to go and see the plan using Terraform plan. Then we'll have to apply the plan using Terraform apply. And finally, delete it, of course, later. We using Terraform destroy. If they ask you always for everything, just click on yes. So you'll have to, as a summary for this video, you'll have to install Terraform and get your AWS keys as I said, for you, you'll have to go and get this from here. Just follow this article, create your folder and main TF file, run the Terraform init, plan, apply, and then you can run after that. It's just optional, but it's important. Terraform destroy so you don't get charged. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching it. Goodbye.